true power of the people is in the right to choose their own destiny. Democracy and human rights go hand in hand. The political system of parliamentary democracy is not always perfect, it is sometimes even slow, but it is the best way to protect the rights of the other. The alternative, totalitarianism, dangerously threatens human rights, social and economic development. Democracy includes the freedom of choice, freedom from discrimination, and freedom of speech. President Lukashenko abuses his unlimited authority to deprive the Belarus people of their freedom. This is unacceptable. A totalitarian regime does not appear suddenly. It is truly important to stand up to totalitarian tendencies and protect the principles of parliamentary democracy. We stand with those who fight for their human rights. I stand with the Belarus people who defend their democracy.